Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to use your credit card reward points in 2025. If you've got points piling up and you're not sure what to do with them, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. First off, what exactly are credit card reward points? They're essentially a way for banks to reward you for your spending. Every time you swipe your card, you earn points based on your purchases. Think of it as free money waiting to be unlocked. In 2025, many cards are offering even more generous rates, so it's a great time to maximize your earnings. Now, how do you actually use these points? There are several awesome options. One popular way is redeeming them for cash back. Simply transfer your points to your bank account for a direct payout, perfect for paying off bills or everyday expenses. Another option is travel rewards. Use your points to book flights, hotels, or even upgrades. With 2025's updated programs, you might see better exchange rates for airlines like those in the major alliances. If travel isn't your thing, consider shopping with your points. Many cards let you redeem for merchandise, gift cards, or even experiences like concert tickets. For example, you could snag electronics from partnered stores or treat yourself to a spa day. Pro tip: always compare the value. Aim for at least 1 cent per point to make it worth your while. One thing to watch out for in 2025 is potential changes to point expiration policies. Some cards might introduce shorter validity periods, so check your account regularly and set reminders. Also, avoid redemption fees by choosing programs that waive them. To get the most out of your points, combine them with promotions or bonuses that cards often run. And remember, paying off your balance in full each month keeps you from losing value to interest. Wrapping this up, using credit card reward points is an easy way to add value to your finances in 2025. Start by reviewing your rewards dashboard today and experiment with redemptions. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.